Hey guys, we had a little road trip today. We were out looking for farm equipment. Bob has been looking for one of these for a long time. This one has been rebuilt and is in great shape, and we got a good deal on it. So he's very excited to be able to get this hay rake. There's lots of stuff at this little farm place. Little plows, bush hogs, and we got a post hole digger. We have lots of things to dig with putting in the addition to the barn and the implement shed and all the other projects that we've got going on. And also, we are getting a rototiller. It's brand new, off the truck, and the guy's actually putting it together right now as we speak. So we're really excited to get all this. It will definitely be a great help on our farm. So just giving you a little idea of what our Saturday was today. If you live in East Tennessee, this fellow right here gets used and new farm equipment. He's got really good prices.
Straight through. You can get it a little bit.
Like, subscribe, and share. Bye.